So back to another video. Today we're going to do something really cool. We're not going to play games, we're not going to do stuff. I have a new car. And that car is a Toyota. That's what we're named. Alright, so we're going to go inside the car and show you a tour. First, where we go, this is the key. It's really cool. This is the car. Wow. It's red. And it's amazing inside. It's already stuff inside. Let's go. This is inside of the car. It's kind of boring. We can hear it. There's also a scream here. There's nobody going to the Tesla or something. And there's in the back stroller for my sister. Things. Frenos, charger, pink one. Handle. Mirror. This thingy. That's also cool. Let's turn the light on. It's really hot. Brother running. This is open doors. Voila, you can open doors. You can open doors. Here's the front of the car. I'm not gonna close it because it's gonna shut and we're gonna be stuck. This is inside of the truck. And you can see there, little truck says that the one doors is open. This is all the things. Space we need. Long charger. I don't know we have long charger. I'm gonna show you the other cars here. Or these are other cars. These are the same one. This is the old car that we used to ride, but it's so old. Nice color, but we have a red one and red one. This is the car that my dad drives for work. You guys can see inside. Pretty good. Good light and stuff. And here in the garage, boring place in the world, we have a luxurious, sexiness family car. Wow! Can't get see inside because it's empty and stuff. That's my brother, so don't get scared. It's so cool. Look at this. It's almost better than a new one, but we just bought that 4 days ago. This is our cars here. This one, that one, my sister, that one, that's really sexy, and it's really, and we have this this is new. Don't touch it. I'm touching it because it's mine. Mine! And subscribe, please. I'm just going to give you a tour in here. This is the gasoline. This is the handles. This is another handle. A mirror. You can just see me. Almost. Up the trunk. Headlights. Symbol. Light. Motor. That you can follow that. This video is not sponsored. They're the same thing. Wheels. That's so sexy. So I want to end the video right here. Oops, oh my god. Right, I want to end the video here. This has been a fun research. Good. Bye. For calling me Scorpion.